everyone, Manisha Shinjvi here. Welcome to my channel. As many of you have asked for a room tour of our Neemrana stay and the cost associated, today I am here with a video on the same. We shot this video very casually and so didn't include in our Neemrana vlog. But today we decided to share it with you all on popular demand. If you haven't watched our detailed vlog on Neemrana Fort Palace, the link is in the description box. Mata Mahal. Come on, let's get inside. Okay, so here we have a small bed. Here's the luggage. This is the bed. And let's see what's here. It's a small fridge. Tea maker, small study table. This is the washroom. Quite good in size. And let's see here. One more bed, and then the surprise is this one. Wow, what a view! So the best part of this room is actually this small terrace from where you can have a very nice view. If you plan to visit Neemrana, I would suggest you to stay in the Fort Palace itself. Regarding the overall package, do check online portals for deals or call Neemrana Fort Palace customer care to negotiate for better deals. The tariff for our room, that is Mata Mahal, was Rs 19,000 per night, but since it was partial lockdown, we negotiated well and got it for Rs 13,000 per night. Day visits are also available between 9 am to 3 pm at around Rs 1800 per person, which includes lunch at the fort. But I would suggest you to stay at least for a night to experience the scenic beauty as well as their warm hospitality. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing.